Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to post Telegram story without premium. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom. After that, tap on add a story. Now you can take a new photo or video using your camera for your story. And if you want to add a photo or video from your gallery, just tap on it. Your phone gallery will open automatically. Now select the photo or video you want to upload. After selecting it, you can write a caption for your story. Once you finish writing, tap on the check mark icon to confirm. After that, tap on brush icon to draw on your story. You can also add text or stickers by tapping on the text and sticker options. Once you add a sticker, you can make it bigger or smaller and move it anywhere on the screen. After placing it, tap on the check mark icon. Then tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Now you will see the privacy options. Here you can choose who can view your story. Everyone, my contacts or selected friends. Select the option you prefer. After that, tap on post story. And that's it. Your story has been posted successfully. You can now watch your Telegram story from the top of the screen. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.